Mark, can you explain to us how a crash works?
Sure. So in today's test, we have a car and it's on a magic carpet and it's being towed into the pole. And then when it hits the pole, if the car's a good car, it'll have airbags that protect the people inside.
Can I drive? I think I would be a good driver.
Perhaps not on this test.
When can we see the smashes?
Well, how about I show you around first and then we can get one set up. This is the crash track. The car will be towed down here and into the crash zone here. And the lights are there because we're taking film at 1,000 frames a second and we need lots of lights.
Why are there so many cameras over there?
So we have lots of different views so we can see what happens to the dummies and the car during the test.
When can we see a crash?
Well, if you guys wait upstairs where it's safe, we'll get things ready down here and we'll let you know when we're ready to go.